So similar to the previous video, I will show you how you can use your knowledge of transformation to sketch graphs. So here, let's say you're asked to sketch this graph, y equals x plus 1 to the power of 3 plus 2. So first start off by visualizing, well, f of x here. Let's define f of x. Let's say you've got a function f of x equals x to the power of 3. So visualize it as at the moment, visualize it as y equals something to the power of 3, and then later on we will transform it slowly to get from here to here. So what we do is we first put x plus 1 into here. So that's just like us doing this. F of x. So you start with f of x equals x to the power of 3. Well, f of x equals x to the power of 3 would look like this. So you start off with this. And then, well, you can see that at the moment you've got a bubble here. Well, visualize it like this actually. Visualize it like this. And then apply the transformation of x plus 1 into this thing here. So in effect you have y equals x plus 1 to the power of 3. You see it's getting close to this thing. And then later add 2. Later on do this. Well, at the moment you are here. So your next step is to move it to apply the transformation of x plus 1. So your next step is this, x plus 1. So well, given that f of x equals x to the power of 3, x plus 1 would be this. You would put this into the x itself. So it will look like this, x plus 1 to the power of 3. Okay, so that means this. Well, a transformation of x plus 1 means you move it to the left by 1. So looking at this as a reference point, looking at the origin as a reference point. Okay, I'm going to move it across by 1. So move it across by 1, so it'll be here. Okay, and then our next step is to apply. Well, look, currently we are here, so we want to move it up by 2 here. So we would apply this transformation here, f of x plus 1 and then plus 2. So that means, given that f of x equals x to the power of 3, when we apply this transformation here, it really becomes this, x plus 1 to the power of 3, and then we would add 2. You see, this bit here is exactly the same as this bit here. So applying this transformation moved our graph from here to over here. Okay, now adding 2 would move it up to here. So our graph, you see, our graph is now here. So the answer is this line here. Okay, so let me clear this. Hang on, let me clear this. So our answer is this here. That's our answer. So we started off with x to the power, f of x equals x to the power of 3, something like this, and then we moved it across by 1. So looking at this as a reference point, we moved it across by 1, and then we moved it up by 2. So you can actually use your knowledge of transformation to sketch this graph, and it turns out to be this red line here. Okay.